On the number 27, the problem is retrieve the stores where the average delivery cost per order ID per order is greater than the average menu cost for the last 3 months. The first thing we need to do is select restaurant and the primary key and restaurant name. Average transaction delivery cost as average delivery cost. Select average menu price from menu energy and restaurant menu details on menu ID and menu to restaurant menu details, where restaurant menu details to restaurant and menu menu available date is greater than or equal date and add now interval to negative 3 months as average menu cost. From transaction T, inner join orders on transaction to order. Inner join restaurant menu details on order to restaurant menu details. And inner join restaurant to restaurant menu details on and to restaurant ID, where transaction date is greater than or equal to date add now interval minus 3 month. And we need to use group by restaurant ID and restaurant name. Having average transaction delivery cost, we need to select average menu price from menu and join restaurant menu details on menu ID is equal to restaurant menu details, where restaurant menu details is, is equal to restaurant menu ID restaurant and menu available date is greater than or equal to date add now, and we need to use interval minus 3 months. And wait, we need to delete this first. And when we click go, here's the result.